What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing the basics of Python. So this is the bare basics that you should learn in Python before you continue any further throughout this course. So in this lesson, we accomplished a lot of things. We instructed our computers to print messages. We stored these messages as variables, and we learned to update those messages depending on part of the program we are in. We performed mathematical calculations, explored some of the mathematical expressions that Python offers. We learned about errors and other valuable skills that will continue to serve us as we develop the programming skills. And yeah, so let's go ahead and just run through this real quick. Let's create these variables. And again, we do have these documentations, but let's go ahead and run this here. So we'll create a it says assign values to each of your knowledge of division and concatenation. All right, so we'll do my age equals, and I'll put like 21, and then half my age equals my age divided by 2. And at the end of these, I'm gonna go ahead and print out. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna print it out right here. Print, we'll do my age, and then we'll do print half my age, and then next we have greeting. Greeting equals, we'll do hello. Print greeting, and then we'll do our name, Bob. Print name. Now I'm just going to copy paste this one, which will be with name is equal to greeting plus name. Print. If you run it, there you go. I'll put a comma here. Why not? Actually, we'll just put it right here. Let's just say hello, Bob. We can also put another one that hasn't. Hello, Bob. So, yep. So, my age 21, half is going to be 10.5. This is hello, this is Bob, and this is hello, Bob. So, this is how simple Python is. In other programming languages, you would have need to set like system.print.outline, like it's just very, very tough. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.